Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Beaf Roast Recipe. It can be served along with Porotta, Rotti, rice, but it is extra delicious when it is served along with Kerala Porotta. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 25 to 30 shallots, 1 onion, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 2 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, half teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon peppercorns, 3/4 teaspoon Fennel Seeds, half teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 100 ml of water. Grind it into a smooth paste. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. Now add the grinded masala paste. Saute it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. In a cooker, take 500 grams of beef meat. Now add the masala paste to it. Add 3 green chilies, 8 to 10 curry leaves, half teaspoon salt, 200 ml of water. We can rinse the pan with water and use it. Mix it well. Now close the lid of the cooker and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. The cooking time depends on the type of meat and type of cooker. After 4 to 5 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for 15 minutes. Now we can open the lid. The meat has cooked well. Switch on the flame again and dry up excess water. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half cup of coconut slices. Fry until it becomes brown in color. Then add the cooked meat to it. Cook on high flame for 5 to 6 minutes to dry up excess water. Now add 8 to 10 curry leaves. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our special beef roast recipe is ready. It can be served along with rice, porotta, chapati or roti. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.